Okay, we're gonna practice doing the cube, Rubik's Cube, and we're gonna time. Alright, I'll give you
me like 15 seconds.
15 seconds to study it. Ready?
Yeah,
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, that's not how you start Rubik's Cubes.
Fine, whatever.
Yeah, it's okay. I didn't see where the last part was.
Tell me when you're done, okay?
I am going to do that.
Anyway, while we're waiting, we're at Lassen National Park. Taking a little bit of Rubik's Cube break. Really cool. Oh, it's almost done.
Stop it.
Stop?
Oh, crap. Stop now.
Okay, anyway. I stopped it at 109, but I think it was probably like 111.
Yeah.
But that was really good. Very cool. Good job.
The wrong way.